Hello everyone and welcome to English Academy with English pronunciation. Today we'll quickly look at some of the most commonly confused English words. Get ready to improve your listening and speaking skills step by step. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you never miss any new lesson. In English, many words look similar, sound similar, or differ by only one small sound. These similarities often cause confusion for learners, especially when listening or speaking. In this lesson, we will focus on pairs of words that are often mixed up because their pronunciation is almost identical. You will learn how to distinguish them clearly and how to pronounce each one correctly. One important concept to remember is that English contains sounds that may not exist in your native language. Small changes in vowel length, stress, or consonant placement can completely change the meaning of a word. That is why mastering minimal pairs, two words that differ in only one sound, is essential for improving your listening and speaking skills. Let's begin with one of the most commonly confused pairs, word and world. Word, word, world, world. Although they look similar, the pronunciation is different. Word has one syllable, pronounced word. World also has one syllable, but includes an extra L sound, pronounced world. The key difference is the dark L sound before the final D. When practicing these two words, say word first, then slowly add the L to make world. Another common pair is ship and sheep. Ship, ship. Sheep, sheep. Ship is pronounced with a short vowel E, while sheep uses the long vowel E. This difference may seem small, but it can completely change what you're saying. For example, I saw a ship is very different from I saw a sheep. Always remember that long vowels in English are usually stretched and continuous, while short vowels are quick and relaxed. We also have pairs like cap and cup. Cap, cap. Cup, cup. Cap has the eh sound, which is wide and open. But cup has the ah sound, which is more central and relaxed. If you say these two vowel sounds correctly, native speakers will understand you immediately. Another commonly confused pair is think and thank. Think, think. Thank, thank. Both words begin with the th sound, but the difference comes from the vowel that follows. Think uses E sound, while thank uses E sound. Practice them by keeping the tongue between the teeth for t, then change the vowel. Finally, consider the pair bit and beat. Bit, bit. Beat, beat. Bit uses the short vowel E, while beat uses the long vowel E. This is another example where vowel length changes the meaning entirely. To master these pairs, practice slowly at first, exaggerating each vowel sound. Record your voice and compare it to native speakers. Repeat each pair several times until you can clearly hear and pronounce the difference. Over time, your ear will become more sensitive and your speaking will sound more natural and confident. Mastering minimal pairs is a powerful step toward accurate pronunciation. Practice them daily, and you will notice a significant improvement in your fluency and clarity. That's all for today's commonly confused words. We hope you found this lesson helpful. Keep practicing and see you next time. Bye-bye.